Welcome to the Dressmaking Academy. If you're here, it means we share a passion for sewing. My mission is to help aspiring dressmakers make amazing dresses. With our system, patterns, and the world's largest library of exclusive sewing courses, you'll be able to create literally any wedding dress or red carpet outfit, tailored perfectly to any body type and size. But that's not all. The Magic Pattern Maker app can whip up a pattern for any size in just 3 seconds. Just pop in your measurements and voila! You'll have a pattern that's ready to sew and fits like a dream. This is a real game changer for custom tailoring. A must-have tool for every designer. Now you have the chance to outshine your competitors who are still wasting a lot of time, fabric, and energy in vain. Big congrats to you! In the library, you'll find step-by-step courses on a wide range of topics, professional and secret sewing techniques, making corsets and bodices that fit like a glove for any figure, various styles of wedding dresses from timeless classics to the latest trends, all types of skirts, embroidery and decoration, fancy kidswear, step-by-step drafting of your own patterns, working with clients, nailing sales, and the basics of the sewing business. Plus, you'll be a part of a super friendly community of fellow sewing enthusiasts just like you. And you can count on me for any questions or support you need, so you're never alone in this. With the Dressmaking Academy at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's dive right in and make some amazing creations happen. You've got this.